morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, November 3rd, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars were doing an amazing job reading their sentences and their words the fast way. Nice job, scholars. I also saw scholars that were doing art projects. Nice job. Third, fourth, and fifth grade scholars that are virtual, don't forget, tomorrow from 4:30 to 6:30, you will be able to come by and pick up your semester exams that you will need for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Again, tomorrow from 4:30 to 6:30 at the Academy building, you may stop by to pick up your semester exams for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!